Hello guys. So this is my brand new 2023 Ford Equator Sport. So today is have a better view for you guys. Today is a nice day. So as you can see, Ford Equator Sport. So this SUV is a mid-size SUV in Chinese market. It's a Chinese market only. So I will test this SUV for you guys. This is my car. I own this SUV. So let's do it. Oh, first let's check the room. Okay, it's room is big enough. You can put a lot of stuff. Sorry for the mess. I use this SUV carry a lot of furniture. This is back room. Back room is a full sunroof. Okay, let's go get it. So first start the engine. So they have a lot of functions on this car, the AI, the computers, and GPS. They can talk to you, but I'm sure they understand only Chinese language. So we can try. So we can try different language if they understand. Sorry, my videos. Turn it off. That's awkward. So let me see, the computer kind of yeah, computer. Let's turn on the voice control. Hello. So actually she's talking with me. So let's talk let's talk with her in English. She doesn't understand. Okay, I want to go to the Great Wall of China. So she doesn't understand English. So you can only use this function in Chinese language. Okay. So let's go. I think we are outside. So this SUV is built for only Chinese market, but I'm not for sure. Maybe in the future they will export this model to the other countries, maybe the Asia countries or European countries, because the design is really for the market like China. It's for the city SUV. So this model is not built for off-road. Okay, you don't drive this SUV off-road, but like by the road like this in the city, it can handle it. Let me tell you, it can handle it. Oh shit, man. Sorry my language. Sometimes you drive in China, they'll make you angry on the road. You know what I mean? See this? Oh my god! How did this guy park here? Oh shit, look at that scooter. It doesn't even look at me, you know? That's crazy. Let's go. Not too many traffic here today, so but they put a lot of cameras around the road, so you still need to follow the rules. At least you drive a car. So I feel this SUV is very light. It doesn't feel like a SUV. You drive it like a sedan. Very light, and they have a good acceleration, under 60 miles per hour. So as I said before, this model built for a city SUV. in China there are a lot of traffic light, so you need to stop and start frequently. So this SUV is built for that. Smaller engine, bigger room. It's very quiet when you stop here. You barely hear the engine. So I saw this the engine turn off, but not. It has the engine start off function, but I turn it off. So the engine is still running now, but I can barely hear it. Look at those scooters. That is the problem. That's the problem. People from other countries would not drive in China. If you hate them or they hate you, man, that's a trouble. Those people don't have insurance. Why those cars drive so slow? Okay, I guess this over today the traffic is getting worse. So let me know if you want to watch more my POV drive in China. Okay, thank you for watching.